Welcome to the Planview solution offering demonstration for changing world of work. Today's enterprise is embracing a combination of work approaches to increase the success rate of strategic delivery. To improve responsiveness and speed delivery of innovative products, services, and customer experiences, organizations are embracing new ways of working and seeking the right balance of these delivery approaches for success, both for today and the future. Let's take a look at how your organization can successfully give teams the right tools to deliver outcomes, while ensuring that the work delivered continues to align to your company's integrated strategy and portfolios. First, let's begin with integrated strategic and portfolio planning. It's important for organizations to ensure strategic alignment and balance capacity and demand across all work and delivery methods. Executives and stakeholders see the progress of key strategies and how they break down by objective, organization, and team. Taking a look at this red, yellow, green of program status and starting to drill through to some of the underlying milestone data as well as forecast and budget costs into the future. Leaders can drill through to the underlying data to gain visibility on how each objective decomposes into features, projects, or collaborative work, with allowing those teams flexibility in how the work is being delivered. Easily being able to see our lean and agile work, our iterative work, our milestone or traditional PPM work, or our collaborative work. Easily being able to elevate those conversations to say, where are we behind in business value? Where do we have blocked issues, blocked cards, and truly being able to see my status in terms of all the different work going on. As the ways of working evolve, leaders can move teams to the right experience for their approach. Regardless of delivery solution, all work is reported back into the plan to provide stakeholder visibility, drive organizational alignment, and enable delivery of strategy. So let's take a look at the lean and agile experience. Drilling into this feature allows teams using those lean and agile methods to work within a purpose-built experience to accelerate delivery and innovation. Teams delivering in this fashion can leverage the lean and agile experience offered here, giving your team that visibility into demand from the portfolio, capturing features, epics, relationships, and dependencies across all the different work that's going on. The relationships between cards is visualized to make it easy to identify issues proactively. Using work and dependency visualization, teams can mitigate risks by resolving problems sooner. Teams can also break down this demand and features into component stories, identifying dependencies and slotting them in the proper iteration. They can map these dependencies between cards to track how different epics, features, and or stories are interrelated, allowing those teams to start to work and coordinate planning and performance insights across the organization to shorten lead and cycle times. Allowing your users to take that feature, as we can see here, drilling into some of the bite-sized pieces of those different user stories, and being able to give your teams the processes that can allow them to deliver with these configurable Kanban boards. Work is visualized as cards, then measured and tracked as it moves through the process. Boards are used to represent any workflow, easily being able to see Team Alpha using Scrum, Team Beta using Scrumban, and Team Charlie using Kanban. Let's go back to our work delivery dashboard and drill into the collaborative work experience. Project teams can use a collaborative experience to track, manage, and work together on specific task-based and project-centric delivery. This experience gives users the ability to collaborate on iterative projects, roadmap-driven projects, and team tasks at work. Team members and project leads, whether formal or accidental project managers, can leverage project, roadmap, and team workspaces, giving the users the ability to get work done in all-in-one collaboration tool. As you can see right here, this collaborative work experience offers an easy-to-use workspace that allows users to gain visibilities into all aspects of the project, such as milestones, cards and activities, team members, recent conversations, ongoing activities, and recent documents. Easily being able to understand everything that's going on for this project. This simple, intuitive workspace is a great option for team members to funnel that collaboration. These workspaces have a Kanban view that supports social style collaboration as well as visual task management. In this Kanban view, different tasks can be broken down and assigned to team users, allowing for document sharing, labels, due dates, as well as team organization. Visualizing this work and task status with this robust Kanban visualization to understand and update status helps identify blockers and optimize delivery time. The Kanban view of their tasks allows users to streamline their access, giving them flexibility to reference other users, attach documents, and truly understand all of the work that is going on within the organization. As users start to update work across multiple different workspaces, this is where they can go to their homepage to gain great insight into all the upcoming work that they have done, as well as what they've recently worked on. Easily being able to see recent boards, recent documents, and grouping all their work by the upcoming due dates. So when they come in on a Monday morning, they can quickly see all the work they need to get done and quickly update that status. Now, some project teams and managers have known clear-cut objectives and need to deliver work in a phased, prescriptive, and planned approach. Whether using waterfall, milestone-driven, or iterative methods and practices, a traditional PPM experience is a proven option. Let's take a look at the experience and the functionality those team members can take advantage of. Project managers can create project plans with multiple levels of depth: phase, activity, tasks, subtasks. The project management capabilities give the users a nice and easy Gantt view over on the right. It's very simple for users to easily add in a new task, enter in any of the key information such as predecessors, constraint dates, any milestone information. Using this drag and drop functionality, being able to move around the Gantt chart as needed and layer in that schedule, making it very simple and easy for those users to start to update any of the project status going on. As well as being able to put in the project plan, the traditional PPM user can also layer in any resources that are part of the project, easily being able to add roles such as a business analyst, or an example of a user in terms of Colin Edwards needing to be on my project right here in requirements and analysis. As well as being able to put the schedule and assignments into the project, users also have the ability with iterative work management to layer in tasks, action items, and cards within the project plan, assigning it out to their team and adding in the necessary level of detail that they need in terms of layering it in, especially for those projects that might be a mix of waterfall and agile. All of the information from the lean and agile experience, collaborative work experience, and traditional PPM experience is then rolled in to the different portfolio metrics, KPIs, and dashboards to show how our objectives are meeting our goals as an organization. Planview gives organizations the flexibility to adapt in the changing world of work. The Planview Flex offering allows you to embrace different ways of working across the organization by empowering teams with purpose-built tools for each delivery approach, whether it's lean and agile, collaborative, or traditional projects. This concludes the brief introduction to the Planview Flex solution offering. This was just one example of how Planview partners with organizations like you with the solutions that help transform strategy to delivery in the changing world of work. Thank you for watching.